You guys, this is so embarrassing. This morning I literally wake up at 5 a.m. I drove for 2 hours, dropped off my son at school, and then, well, hello, are you Giedre from the YouTube? I saw some videos. Greasy hair, drowning outfit, not looking put together, say no! Hi, and welcome back to my channel where you're gonna find practical fashion advices for real women like myself. So I just hit record button on my camera and let's see together how I can transform this look in under 2 minutes to make it look more like a decent, normal outfit to be worn on a casual day. Are you with me? And now to make the things a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna set my timer for 2 minutes because I mentioned 2 minutes, right? Let's be honest here and let's go. Any definition with this outfit. So I will tuck in one side of my t-shirt and I will actually add a belt because I want some structure around 2 oversized clothing pieces. The waistline got a little bit more defined. We added some structure and also I love the color combination. I still want to make this outfit look comfortable and at ease. So I will be using a half tuck and then I will let the t-shirt flow on the sides. That's it. Okay, next up, sneakers. These are too big and too chunky. I'm swapping these sneakers for these ones, very subtle, a little bit more refined, I would say, and also I love the color combination. Okay, now I do have my hair, greasy hair, so I could pin them with a crocodile, but I won't do this. I will add a baseball cap because this is even better. It hides my dark circles as well. Then I will add some accessories. This very basic linked necklace. Also, since I'm not... Also, I will add a bangle. I will take a jumper just to add a little bit more of color to my outfits and interest with the textures. And then I will finalize my look with a structured bag. And you guys, literally, I did this in 1 minute 40 seconds. That's it, you guys. And this is the final look. How do I look? Oh my God, so much better. I also love that the sneakers are a little bit lower. Therefore, the trousers look a little bit longer on me and voila. As you can tell, it took me literally only 2 minutes to make this outfit work. For me, of course, we could, swap the details. We could add a jacket instead. So there are different options how I could play around with this outfit. I would do my hair up, so to bring a little bit more definition. Then I have the vertical line right here. I have some texture with my belt and the jacket, and the look looks interesting and elevated. Yet I'm feeling so comfy, and I'm feeling actually like myself, running with a lot of things to do on my list, feeling great. This is just a kind reminder that even on these days when you want to feel comfortable and cozy, it is still possible to do those little small steps in order to make you feel a little bit more put together and like a better version of yourself. I have created a good outfit formula and I am sharing that checklist with you. So click on the link in the description box down below and download a copy for yourself. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep shining, stay classy every single day, no matter what. Kisses!